What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy 𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, aka 𝗗𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, and today we're going to be talking about the Snapchat lens camera filter for Windows computer and or Mac. But however, I only have a Windows machine, so that's where we're going to be running with. However, if you're not following twitch.tv/𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, we're going to have a problem. I'm going to punch you in the throat if you don't hit that follow button. But if you have any technical questions, be sure to only come through on the Discord or the Reddit. Twitch is the time where I'm free from everything else and I just want to play video games. So no offense, I ain't here to hold your hand, but I will hold your hand in Discord and help you guide through any technical issues you may have. You can also follow my social media. The links are right there. The links, I mean, they're right here. You know what I mean. All right, cool. So with the Snapchat lens filter, you can go through any filter that Snapchat has to offer. Whenever you're going on to your phone, you scroll through and you see, oh, I like that filter. So it also applies same on towards the computer. Now, how do we get this? Let's go ahead and drag this on down, minimize it a little bit. Here is the website, snapcamera.snapchat.com. That's where you can get it. So you can just go to Google and type in Snapchat lens camera. I'll put a link down in the description below. Click download, and it's completely for free. Just make sure you agree to their terms of service. You do not have to put in your email address. Just make sure you're not a robot and just click download for Mac or for PC. Awesome. Once you have that installed, this is how you configure it, right? So on the very top right, when you're running it, it will ask you to choose your camera. This is where I choose my webcam, and you can choose the resolution. If it's 1920 by 1080, 30 FPS, then choose that. Whatever best quality your camera has to offer. And it also asks for your microphone input, because you can record a video with the Snapchat filter if you really wanted to. So that's pretty cool. The next thing you want to worry about, as for streaming wise, go to optimize for green screen, because if you use a green screen, you want to make sure that this is on. You can have hotkeys to trigger the lens on and off, trigger the lens effect, even take a photo or even start recording. So there's that. You can also go through every filter here. You can search for the lenses that you have saved or favorited on Snapchat. There's categories here, and there's people that uploaded their effects. If you do decide to choose one that you like, there is a star which favorites it. And on the top left, you can choose all your favorites, the ones that you want to go through. Like I got big eyes. Big eyes look like I dropped acid. But yeah, okay, next thing what you need to do is, let's bring up our OBS here. Now it's going to show like an infinite loop. There it is. So on the bottom, let me go ahead and just get rid of the social media stuff right here. You're going to click on the plus button. This will allow you to add. Make sure it's under sources now. So hit the plus, go to Windows capture, or excuse me, video capture device. Then you're going to give it a name. Any name will do. Just type in filtered cam. Then you want to make sure that you go click on the drop-down menu and select Snap Camera. Then that's basically it. Then this will automatically pop up, and now you can just go ahead and choose any other filter that you want to put in place. And that's basically it. So let's go ahead and bring this back up. One thing that I must warn you guys, make sure that when you do play games, you might experience some lag, or a whole lot, or your frames are going to drop, right? Make sure your computer is equipped with the latest specs. I have an i7 10 Gen, 32 gigs of RAM, and I'm running a GPU of a 2070 Super, and I tend to lag quite a bit. So if I'm trying to play games while using this filter, I'm going to be lagging. So I just thought I would let you know. But if you're trying to make a video, or if you're just doing just chatting with your viewers or whatnot, then you're not playing any games whatsoever, then this will be perfect for you. I hope that this video was very helpful. Again,
come through on my social medias if you want to see me being goofy. If you do need help, I'm really strict and really serious about this. If you ever need any help, it's technical support is only supported on the Discord or Reddit, so just FYI. But be sure to come over to twitch.tv/Codectual just to hang out and just watch me be a meme lord. So I'm more unfiltered on stream than I am on here, so just FYI. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, peace out, dude. And do it, dudettes. Yeah.
Thank you for sticking around. Please feel free to watch my other videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow my social media. If you're feeling generous, check out my Patreon or send in a donation of any amount with PayPal. It really helps out with post-production, equipment, food in my belly, and also continue making free content for you guys. Links in the description. Y'all take care, and thank you once again.